Edusoft Robotics. Comprehensive STEM and robotics solution.
Hello innovators, in this video we are going to understand how to connect the Magic Board in the wired mode. First of all, take your Magic Board and connect with your USB Type-C cable. Connect the other end with your computer. Now in your computer press Windows R and search for Device Manager. Now here look for ports. As you can see, we have USB serial device connected at COM14. Now open your Edusoft Magic Board Dashboard app. Go to your Magic Board. Select Blocks. On the home page of the app, locate and select Wired Mode. At the top right corner, click on the drop-down menu to view the list of available COM ports. Select the COM port that corresponds to your Magic Board. Click on Connect button. If the connection is successful, the status will change to Connected. Once connected, Magic Board's indicator light should turn green, confirming that it is powered on and communicating.